Technology has revolutionized the way we interact with the world around us. Many graduates secure employment within months of completing their university studies. The library will remain open during the examination period for student use. Scientists continue to explore the vast possibilities of renewable energy sources. Attendance in all tutorials is compulsory to pass the final assessment. The marketing team presented innovative strategies to attract new customers. Environmental policies must be updated to address the climate change crisis. Most students find research writing challenging without proper academic guidance. The cafeteria will be closed for maintenance throughout the weekend. Language development is crucial for children's early cognitive and social growth. The history professor spoke about ancient civilizations with great enthusiasm. Each group member must contribute equally to the final project. The dean emphasized academic integrity during the orientation seminar. Learning a second language enhances memory and cultural understanding greatly. Your feedback will be valuable for improving future learning modules. The psychology lecture explored human behavior and social interaction patterns.